Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I thought today it would be fun to show you how some of the new Planner Kate kits for the A5 MāksëLife would work. I'm telling you guys, I'm blown away by what just is on this sheet alone. So Planner Kate recently came out with some kits for the A5 MāksëLife planner. You can also use them in the A5 inserts, whether they're punched for discs or punched for rings, which is absolutely great. But when I tell you that she uses every single inch of space on her sheets, she does. And this is probably one of the most well thought out kits I've really just seen from her. So what I ordered was this main daily sheet, which is sheet number one in kit 408. The additional sheets that I ordered were these bottom boxes that you can use either like all the way across. I mean, I think it would be a lot to use them every single day, but I just got enough to use for like 6 days out of the week. And then I also got the daily washi strips. So let's get started because I kind of want to show you everything that is included in here. I mean, she even includes stickers on this sampler for the weekly actions, which just kind of like blew me away, like how much she was able to fit on here. So I'm not necessarily going to write out my weekly actions. This is more for the purpose of if you're interested in ordering these stickers, showing you how they're going to fit and work in this planner in case you're interested, because it's a lot of money to spend on stickers. What I love is that this kind of gives it a whole different vibe, so that if you're not into these MāksëLife colors, Kate has given you the option to sort of switch it up if you want to, which is kind of fun because doing the same thing over and over again can get kind of a little bit boring. So there's the weekly action sticker. I think it might be a little bit crooked there, we'll see. But then she even has header covers. I was like, wait, what? Like, look at that. That is so cool. So let's go ahead and get the rest of these on. I mean, I ordered just a couple of these because I just wasn't 100% sure. And then I was sitting down and looking at them and thinking about if I wanted to use a kit for this week. And I was just like, as I was looking at it, I was like, this is insane just how much she has fit on here. Like, I know I keep talking about it, but it's just very well thought out how she used the space, because she could have very well forced you to purchase this part of it separately, and she didn't. She included it in the main part of the weekly kit, which is just awesome how she's using this space. So let's get to the health and wellness. Like, look at that. The vibe is already changing with this. It's just, again, like maybe you need a break from those colors. I don't know, but this is just a really great way to do that. So bravo to her for thinking of that. And I don't know why I'm not taking my pages out of the rings, but I've had a little bit of drama with my rings this week. I don't even know what happened, but this is a stone Filofax original. Filofax is known for their great rings, not having any issues, and you guys, I already have a gap in my top ring. Not even sure how that happens because my planner isn't like completely full. So there you go. That's how the weekly actions page now looks. That is so freaking pretty. Not that the MāksëLife colors aren't pretty, but again, if you need like a nice little change to that, awesome. So that's the first part of the kit. But now she gives you, I feel like an infomercial, but wait, there's more. She gives you the kit for the weekly part of the insert. So for the MāksëLife Daily, you also get a week on one page view. So let's start with that. She gives you a week of sticker. I'm gonna put that down across here. And then your focus also just goes right across here. I don't know why I'm so like just giddy about how this sheet is set up. Like you essentially get 3 kits on one sheet. It's okay, I'm fine. Then you get the date cover strip. I'm gonna try to get this put down here. I think it's meant to just start at the line. Not 100% sure. Yep, measured to perfection. Then you get 2 sets of date covers, because I was like, oh, that's going to be weird because you need date covers for your week view, but then you also need them for your daily view. Well, she's also included date covers for both. So since this is the week of the 17th, we're going to start there and then work our way down. And so there you go, you've got all of your dates in for the current week, which is just awesome. And one of the things that I love is that you can get her coordinating weekly kit for like the vertical or even the horizontal, and you would probably have leftovers for that you could also use in your daily if you plan into planners like I do. All right, so next up we're gonna do the header for each day. So you do get a header for all 7 days of the week. And then what I decided I want to do, because these washi strips come with 7 of those days and they perfectly coordinate with each day of the week, I'm actually going to use those at the bottom to cover up these 3 boxes. Again, you don't have to do that, but that's just what I'm choosing to do, and I think that it just perfectly coordinates each page. So then I'm going to put the corresponding date for each day. And then I'm just going to do that for each day of the week. Okay, so all of the date covers are in and the matching corresponding washi is down at the bottom. I really, really like how that looks. And then just to add a little something to at least 6 days of the week, since I only have 6 of these boxes, I'm just gonna add in and I'm actually gonna try to add some pink to this sheet since it's, I'm actually gonna move it over here, just to kind of make those coordinate with each day, or, you know, just kind of work in those different colors. I think I'm going to put this one on this side. That'll be okay. And this is where I could either write my gratitude, something like that. It doesn't have to be anything very specific, but I just think that these are really fun, and it doesn't like overcomplicate like the decorating of each day, if that makes sense. Also, I like to alternate where this sticker is at the bottom so that I don't get a bump on the page. I'm going to use blue on this sheet since it's very pink heavy on this page. And then just add it to here. Sunday will not have a box, but that is totally okay. There we go, and now those are all finished. Now you also still have some of these labels if you wanted to do that on these pages somewhere. I don't know that I'm going to use labels here, but that's going to be totally fine. But so this is what I have left, is some additional date covers, some dots, things like that. So what I am going to do is plan out this part of the week with you guys. If you've watched my previous plan with me's with this particular layout, I don't get too specific with the layout, but I do like to put in weather and meals and then any sort of, oh, there was something on my ruler and it marked up the page. I do like to sort of split it up. And the good thing is that there's these dots right here, right under the letter for the day of the week, that'll tell you right where the halfway point is. That's kind of a bummer, and I'm just making it worse. I should probably not touch it. But I think that once I put in the weather and things like that, it'll be covered up. I'm not really sure what that's from, but it's a bummer when it happens because now it's like marked up my page. And I just use the fine tip side of the Platinum Zig Clean Color dot markers. These markers are linked in my Amazon shop, and that is down below in the description. I typically, I try to keep as many things linked there as possible for you guys so it's easy for you to find. All right, so let's start with the weather for each day. And I actually have a sampler that came in my last order from Planner Kate, and that's what I'm gonna use to mark down the weather for the week. Next up, I'm just going to add the second part of that box is the meals for the week, and I'm just going to add in the first few days of the week. All right, so there are the meals. I guess I should actually put in the date at the top of this page here. I don't even know how it is that I forgot that. I'm gonna take this out of the rings really quick just because it'll be a little bit easier to write on that part for me. And for the focus for the week, it's just going to be our backyard project. That's gonna take the first few days of the week. I mentioned that in Monday's. I have no idea what I was writing here. This is why I can't write and talk at the same time. But we have a backyard project that is going to be worked on. Let's see if that will work, kind of, sort of. I have like a really messed up tape runner for my whiteout. I'm just trying to finish it until I can move on to another one. But anyway, let's see, backyard project. That's gonna take Monday through Tuesday, hopefully. Hopefully, we will see how that goes. So I'm just gonna kind of put that here and then use my ruler, which I hope doesn't have anything else on it, to draw a line, since that's gonna run into more than one day, hopefully just into half of Tuesday. And then what else do I have going on? Let's see, I'm also gonna put videos right about here. That patio project kind of messed up where those videos are. That's fine. So Monday is the weekly plan with me. Wednesday will be this plan with me, so the A5 plan with me. And then Friday, if you stay tuned, I'll actually do a daily plan with me in my rings as well. And then let's see, Thursday is going to be payday, and Thursday afternoon I'm actually running a vaccine clinic at my job, so I definitely want to make sure I mark that. And I think that that's it for right now. I have like a lot more detailed view of my week in my vertical, but this just kind of gives me a snapshot of some big things going on for the week, because this is the planner that I actually take with me to work. If I have an idea or something that I need to reference, then it is in this planner. So that is it for the setup. I hope that this helps to give you guys a better idea of the new kits from Planner Kate. As always, I still have a coupon code with Planner Kate. I am an affiliate of theirs, so just full transparency. My coupon code is JulieG20, and that will actually save you 20% off of your order from Planner Kate. And if you're someone that's looking for kits for A5, I would definitely recommend this, especially if you're using the MāksëLife system. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.